my name is Janica. Welcome back to Diday's Wonderful Adventures! For today's video, we will make popsicles from fruits. Let's begin! For the fruit ingredients, we need strawberries, mangoes, oranges, and my favorite, banana! We also need bottled water, evaporated milk, and condensed milk. And also we have a blender and popsicle containers. Now let's start with the banana. Ta-da! Now let's put banana in the blender. Then we need to put 1/4 cup of water and 1/3 cup of evaporated milk. And then 1 teaspoon of condensed milk. Now let's blend it all together like this. Now let's pour it. Now we made banana popsicles. Now let's make strawberry popsicles. For the mango and orange popsicle, we will use 1/4 cup of water and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now let's start with the mango. Let's get it. Now let's add water and sugar. Now let's do the same with orange. Now let's put it in the freezer. Here it is. We twist and twist. We twist and whoa! Now let's try to taste it. So yummy! Thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe to my channel. Please click the bell button and watch my videos. Bye kids, see you next vlog!